stop playing with him.
Jada Vinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Today I'm here with a super fun video. This Frontal bundles deal was $60, you guys. So I'm super excited about that. This is like a frontal that looks like a uterus, if you guys can tell. You got like the closure side, but just enough for the hairline, which I'm not tripping. I got a 10, 12, and a 14 inch. I did make a wig. If you're interested in seeing how I make my wigs, I'm gonna link it in the card and in the description. And I also ended up plucking that hairline. For the color, I'm using Adore Sky Blue, and I also mixed it with a white conditioner so the color could come out a cotton candy blue, because those were the vibes that I was going for. However, if you want to do the watercolor method, be my guest. I personally wanted to lather the hair. I don't know, I just have way more fun doing this, but in my next video, I can do the watercolor method for you guys. It will be my first time doing it. So we'll see if I like it. But so far, I just prefer the task of actually dyeing the hair. I don't know, it's just therapeutic for me. Let me know if it's the same for you. But yeah, overall, this hair was really, really, really good. For the price of $60, and for all of it, what it's worth, I would actually order again for some vibrant colors like this. And yeah, now I'm gonna have to install the hair to see like ultimately what it looks like. So in my next video, I will be doing a hair install with you guys, so you guys can see how I installed the hair. But the hair took well with the color. I didn't have any tangling. I had shedding only because I cut the wefts. You know what I mean? Like when I cut it, the hair that I just cut off was shedding. But other than that, now that the hair is washed, dried, styled, I don't have any shedding, which is a plus for it being $60. But as you guys can tell in the next clip, the hair looks bomb. It looks beautiful. I am not even mad at this $60 hair. Like, people were like, oh, you could buy it at the beauty supply. I absolutely did not see it at the beauty supply. At the beauty supply, they were trying to charge your girl $200 for a closure and some bundles. I was like, oh no. So I found it on Amazon. Yeah, so what I ended up doing was taking the remainder of that blue and less conditioner this time, just to give myself some extra dimension. And because I didn't want to waste what little dye I had left over. But just do a test strand to see the color that you're going for, because the vibe that you might be going for might not be the vibe that I'm going for. But here I am blow drying the hair, then I'm going to straighten it. Yeah, so overall, I actually enjoy this hair. I can give you my final opinion after I install it, because you know, once you install it, that's how you know if it's gonna be the bomb. And when you guys, in like a few clips to come, you guys are gonna see that I did not lay any baby hairs. The hairline looks nice, so hopefully when I install it, I don't have to lay baby hairs. I hope that's optional for me, or you, because you know some guys don't like baby hairs. But yeah, here's a close-up of the hair itself. It's beautiful. Yeah, I literally am not even mad at this hair. But like Sam's Beauty, like when I googled, Sam's Beauty had this for like $80, and I'm just like, oh no, I need to find the cheapest deal. So I was able to find it on Amazon. So if I could find the seller that I bought it from, I'm gonna link it in the description. You guys, please don't go selling it out, because I want to get some more. But yeah, as you guys can see, here's the hairline, and in this next clip, you're gonna see the final product. Not even mad at this hair. Like $60 beauty supply, human hair that you can color, have forever. I'm excited about it, and this is the final. It looks so beautiful. Can't wait to install it. So don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And stay tuned for the install, because I'm super excited. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches can't stand me. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.